What's up, guys? Welcome back. It's Alex over here on the trail, and it has been quite a bit since I rode since the last time, and I brought a bike, the Shimano custom painted Shimano bike, which is doing great, and not even a quarter of the way on my route strategy. Bike chain broke. This little bearing is seized. It didn't break at the quick link, and I don't know if you recall, but in the last video I said I did not have any more of the 12 speed. Look right there, that's the quick link right there. So I really do not know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna see. It's only three of them, so I might be able to use that quick link and connect it to the other side and make the chain a little bit less long. So let me see if that works. Trail fix unsuccessful. Did not bring enough tools. I was not expecting this to happen, so I walk back home about 1.5 miles. It is what it is. Let's ride.